In this video, I will show you how to turn off call recording on iPhone with iOS 18. So let's get started. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Next, scroll through all the installed apps and find Phone app. Tap Phone to open. Under Call section, tap on Call Recording. This is enabled at the moment. Now to turn off call recording feature, simply tap on Toggle button next to Call Recording to turn it off. This will deactivate call recording on iOS 18. So that is how you can turn off call recording on iPhone with iOS 18. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.